Today we are going to learn about closed syllables. At the top of the page you can see that a closed syllable is when a vowel is followed by a consonant. In this case, the vowel would make a short vowel sound. I've listed the vowels that we are familiar with on the screen in case you need a reminder. The vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. Today we're going to be looking at this first word, wombat, and we are looking for a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel pattern. So the first thing that we're going to go ahead and do is label our vowels. So in this word, I see an O and an A. So underneath the vowel, we're going to go ahead and write a V. The next step is to build a bridge from one vowel to the other. Next, we need to focus on the consonants that are on our bridge. So in this case, I have a M and a B. Now this is the vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel pattern that I was talking about. Whenever you have this pattern, you are going to break the word in between the two consonants. Now we need to determine if each syllable is a closed syllable. So in the first syllable, I'm going to start by looking at my O. If I look behind it, I have an M. This follows the rule. The vowel is followed by a consonant. So this syllable will be closed. And the O will make the short O sound, which is ah. If I look at the second syllable, I'm going to do the same thing. Start off by looking at your vowel and look behind it. The vowel is followed by a consonant, so the T is closing off the A. The A will make the short vowel sound ah. So when I read this word, I have wombat, wombat. Okay, let's go ahead and try another word. Again, we're going to start off by finding the vowels in our word. So here I have a U and I have an E. Build my bridge between the two vowels and look at your bridge to determine which two letters are your consonants. In this case, I have the T and I have the M. Remember, if you have the vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel pattern, you are going to break the word in between the two consonants. Next, you need to determine if the syllable is closed. Begin by looking at your vowel, look behind it, and because it follows the rule, the vowel is followed by a consonant, this would be a closed syllable, and the U will make the short U sound, Next, look at your E, look behind it. The E is followed by a consonant, G, so this syllable will also be closed, and the E will make the short E sound, eh. If I read this word, I have nutmeg, nutmeg. Next, we're going to try some guided practice together. So I'm going to write some words on the screen, and I want you to go ahead and write these down on a piece of paper, a dry erase board, or your iPad. Teachers, this is going to be the part of the video where you will pause to give your students time to practice, and then we'll go ahead and check over the answers together. So here's the first word that I would like you to try for guided practice. Again, teachers, you're going to want to pause the video here and go ahead and use this opportunity to give the kids time to practice, and this would be a great time for you to walk around and coach your students. Okay, let's go ahead and work through this word together. Start off by finding your vowels. I have the A and the E. Build your bridge and look at your bridge and find your two consonants. In this word, I have the S and the K. Once you have your vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel pattern, you're going to break the word in between the two consonants. Our next step is to determine if the syllables are closed. So start off by looking at your A, look behind it. The A is followed by a consonant S. This would be a closed syllable, and the A would say its short vowel sound, A. Do the same thing with our E. Look behind it. This E is followed by a consonant T. This E is going to make the short vowel sound, E, because it's part of a closed syllable. Let's go ahead and do another word for guided practice. Go ahead and write this word down. Teachers, again, pause this video and give your students time to work this word out. Some of the questions that you could ask your students are, what are the vowels in this word? What pattern are you looking for? How do you know where to break the pattern? How did you know that that was a closed syllable? What sound would your vowel make? Go ahead and give them some time, and when you're ready, go ahead and hit play. Okay, let's go ahead and look at this word together. Start off by finding your vowels. Here I have an A and an E. Build your bridge and find the two consonants that are on your bridge. In this case, I have a B and an L. Because I have my vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel pattern, I'm going to break this word in between the two consonants. Next, I need to find out whether they are closed syllables. Start off by looking at your A, look behind it. The vowel is followed by a consonant B, so this would be a closed syllable. The A would say its short vowel sound, A. Next, look at your E, look behind it. I have a T. The T is blocking the E, so the E is going to be a short vowel sound and say E. Both syllables will be closed. If I wanted to read this word, I have tab-let, tablet. Let's go ahead and do one more word for guided practice. Go ahead and write that word down. Teachers, pause the video here and give your students time to practice this word. All right, let's go ahead and work through this word. Start off by finding your vowels, A and U. Build your bridge. Look at your bridge to see which two letters are your consonants. Here I have a C and I have a T. Because I have the vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel pattern, I'm going to break this word in between the two consonants. Next, we're going to find out whether these syllables are closed. Start off by looking at your A, look behind it. The A is followed by a consonant C, so this would be a closed syllable. The A will say its short vowel sound, A. Next, look at your U, look behind it. The U is followed by a consonant S. This would also be a closed syllable. The U is going to make the short vowel sound, This is a great strategy to practice if you get to bigger words and you're not quite sure how to read the word. I'm going to challenge you to see if you can find any words that have a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel pattern.